Tender cooked carrots and onion tossed with orzo, red pepper, fresh herbs, and feta cheese in a lemony honey vinaigrette. Wait, who just said they've got a taste for a salad? This orzo pasta salad is the one to make. After making this simple salad recipe, we know you're going to be like us. You can take it to work or school as a light meal. You can have it as a side dish next to your favorite main. You can enjoy it as a late afternoon snack in between meals. It is so delicious. Let me show you how to make it. We're going to start by prepping a few key ingredients. Ontario carrots, we love supporting farmers and buying local. You'll need 4 to 5 for this recipe. We're gonna give them a peel, then cut them down the center lengthwise. We're gonna cut the carrots into 1/4 inch slices. You're also gonna need half of an Ontario red onion. We're gonna dice this sweet tasting onion into little bits. I also have half of a red bell pepper. It is seeded and also diced. This recipe also calls for half a cup of chopped fresh herbs. Today I gathered up mint, dill, tarragon, and fresh basil. We're gonna give these fragrant herbs a fine chop. Now, with those ingredients ready, let's make a simple but tasty dressing. You're gonna need 2 Ontario green onions. We're gonna divide them down the middle and then give them a chop. To make the dressing, we need a medium-sized bowl. We're adding 1/3 cup of walnut or avocado oil, something with a subtle flavoring. We're gonna add the juice from half a lemon, 1 teaspoon Dijon mustard, 1 teaspoon of honey. Let's stir to dissolve that honey and combine, then do a taste, add a bit of kosher salt and black pepper. Then let's add those green onions, stir the dressing together. The dressing is so perfect in this pasta salad. Why don't we bring the whole salad together now? Small pot on stovetop, we have salted water. When the water comes to a boil, add 1 cup of orzo pasta. We're gonna cook al dente. It'll take about 5 minutes. At the same time, a second pot filled with carrots. We're gonna cover the carrots with cold water. Same treatment over to stovetop. Bring the carrots to a boil. We're gonna cook them until just fork tender. So the cooking portion of the recipe is done. The pasta and the carrots are ready to go. Strain the carrots. We're gonna transfer them to the medium-sized bowl. Strain the orzo, transfer it to the same bowl. Then add the red onions, the red pepper, add those fragrant chopped herbs. Let's do cheese, half a cup of crumbled feta cheese. Stir to combine. The hot carrots and pasta soften the flavors of the veggies, herbs, and cheese perfectly. Let's add the dressing, quantity to taste, but I always add the full amount. We're gonna season with more salt and pepper to taste. And just like that, you're ready to enjoy. Full recipe is up at weekend@thecottage.com. When you're visiting our website, please subscribe to it. Look for this video on our dedicated YouTube channel. You can subscribe to it as well. And then when a salad is this off the charts delicious, take a picture of it. Post it on your favorite socials using hashtag weekend@thecottage on Pinterest, Instagram, and Facebook. It's our orzo pasta salad with carrots and onions. Beautiful bits of carrot, that gorgeous sweet onion, and then all the rest of those flavors. Fantastic. Enjoy. Oh, so good. I may eat this whole bowl.